Welcome to Home of Math. Exponential equation. Today's question: 8 divide 2 to the power root 2 whole to the power 3 minus root 2 equals to 2 to the power x. Find x. So first, in these kinds of exponential equation, we have to find a common base. Look, here is 2, here is 8, and here is 2. So among this number, we can make a relation. How? Look, this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, and here is 2 to the power root 2 whole to the power 3 minus root 2, and here is 2 to the power x. Okay, now we know once base are same, it means a to the power m divide a to the power n. It means base are same, in divisions power will be subtract. It means a to the power m minus n. Similar, here is base are same, it means 2, and we can subtract, so 3 minus root 2. Okay, and then whole to the power 3 minus root 2 equals to 2 to the power x. Also we know x to the power y to the power z, it means x to the power y times z, right? Similar, here is 2 to the power 3 minus root 2, it means here again 3 minus root 2, just we are making product, 2 to the power x. Now look, here base are same. We also know once base are same, a to the power m equals to a to the power n, that time power will be equal, so we can write m equals to n. So here is also similar thing, 3 minus root 2 times 3 minus root 2 equals to 2 to the power x. So here is, you can make a whole square or you can direct multiply each other. So no need to make whole square, because 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square or 3 minus root 2 times 3 minus root 2 is a similar thing. So here 3 times 3 is a 9, then minus 3 root 2, then minus again 3 root 2, then minus root 2 times root 2 is a what? 2, equals to 2 to the power x. Is it? No, because here base are same, therefore we cannot use this one. So be careful about thing. Here is only what? X. So a silly mistake, you will get 0. Now look, here root 2 square means 2. So here is 6, here is 9 minus 1. Here is also a mistake, because minus root 2 and minus root 2 it should plus. So be careful again. So 9 plus 2 is means 11, and here is minus 3 root 2 and minus 3 root 2, it should be minus 6 root 2 equals to x. Now if you make calculate, so 11 minus 6 root 2, the answer will be what? 2.515. okay, equals to x, and it should be not equal, actually it's a approximate. Okay, so our answer is x equals to what? Approximate 2.515. if you want use equal, so you can use approx. Okay, and this is our answer. It's a very short math but very important, and you should careful about some rules of exponent, which is a to the power m divide a to the power n, again x to the power y to the power z, a to the power m equals to a to the power n, and also careful about plus minus sign, and also root 2 type of square. Okay, so no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you, and please share with your friends. Thank you.